my logo. As soon as I get all that worked out, then I want to start pushing my shit more.
That was sick. What's cracking, guys? Welcome back to another video. It's been a while, man, but I got some cool stuff to fucking talk about, dude. I'm not gonna lie. I got a lot of really good stuff in the works right now, and the first move this morning was I had to get some wheels in my car. Had to get them to the tire shop so that way I can take the tires off. The tires were super old. I'm gonna take the wheels over to my buddy DJ, aka Bushido Detail. I'll put his info down below. In Bay Area, you need to detail your car or whatever you have, definitely hit this dude up. He's working his ass off right now. But I'm gonna take my BBRs to him. Now, they've been on the hatch for a really long time. The tires were really bad, so I'll get new tires, but I wanted to get the wheels kind of brought back to life. The chrome is starting to get a little messed up. They've been in the sun for a while. Haven't really taken the best care of them, but the reason I'm doing this is because I need to get moving on the hatch. So, yep, there's gonna be a lot of hatch content coming up soon. I got a lot of stuff in the works. I think I'm gonna go as all out as I can possibly get with the hatch because I kind of just want it to be an NA fun ripper. So, let me just show you the wheels real quick. Bam! I don't know if you guys know, these are some BBR competitions, a little basket weave action. 15 by 6.5 plus 45. I've had these for a hot minute. I'm really excited about these. I'm gonna say it again, dude. I'm not gonna lie. I saw these when I had my second or third EJ1. Here actually in Fremont, there was a meet, and I parked in there really early. I had a really big buckety car. I might put a picture somewhere of what my car looked like. But next to me was another EJ1 with white BBRs. I set my eyes on those wheels, and I was just like, oh my God, I need them. And a couple years later, I saw them on Craigslist. I dropped everything. I ran, and I've had these. So I've had these for a very long time. This is one of those parts where you're just like, dude, I gotta have them. And I have them, and I'm so excited. We could take another look at them together. But check these out, guys. Ooh. But I don't know if you guys could tell. Got the chrome here. It's looking real rough. It's not as shiny as it used to be. The stickers are still good. I know I can get replacements, but if we can keep those, I'm definitely going to try to keep those as best as possible. All 4 of them. Super legit. But yeah. All right. Like I said, cool stuff coming. There's other stuff I want to talk about as well, but I got to get the shop opened up. Got to get that all working out, and then I'll get back to story time.
One bolt.
Just rattling.
Yeah. It's dark in the back cave now.
Sick. DJ's NSX. It's been a minute. Still looking sick. Woo. Yep. Real men's tires. Look at this shit. Yeah, I love the sticker though.
I only have one hater on that so far.
Yeah. Well, he's a hater.
Right.
No, he's not. I'm kidding.
I mean, if I could find a spoon lip for this, I would immediately. But
yeah.
Come on, man. Doing the best I can.
Yeah, leave it in the comments. Where's the spoon lips? This is DJ CB7. That 4-door. This shit's clean. Damn. Got that wing.
My antenna's not broken.
The antenna's not broken. Is that a thing?
I mean,
I'm sure. Oh, it goes. Yeah.
Accord. Yeah, I'm sure that's a thing. Yeah, we got ourselves an antenna.
Nice. Now it's broken.
We got minimal rust. A little bit. Little dings, little dents.
Got the visors in white.
This thing survived. The Tupac generation.
Dude,
and
for
everything.
real. That's a shift knob because it's a 5-speed.
Yeah.
On the slips. Damn. a true gem. I'm not gonna lie. Not gonna lie. Custom upholstery on the inside.
Yep.
You guys can check that out.
I like feeling like I'm going on a picnic when I'm in this car. It's a bright sunny day when you're in there. Big giant windows for lots of wind.
Yeah. Yeah. DJ did a walk around on this car on his channel. I'll go ahead and post that in the comments. Go check it out. We should do a video on this anyways.
I had other shit to talk about with this car. There was so many things to talk about. I didn't even know really where else to go with it. But I would drive this car all the time, and I'm like, damn, I should have talked about this, or like, damn, I should have talked about that.
That's how it goes, dude.
You know?
It's super clean. I'm excited for what's to come. Hey.
NSX shift knob.
NSX shift knob.
In the Accord.
Look at that guy right there. Ooh. Dope. And I got my RSX way over there, but yeah.
Just cool, man. Little daily, right?
Yeah. Dang. Super clean.
Oh, thanks, man.
Damn,
it's really just OEM, and
did you paint the valve cover, or is that just stock?
Yeah, no, it's
okay.
I painted it.
Because that looks real fresh.
My brother said my color combination reminds him of Snake from Metal Gear Solid for some reason.
I can see it.
So I put the Foxhound logo right there.
God,
that's like inside
always with the
of
stickers.
inside,
I forget. Always with the stickers.
Always, dude.
Got the NX. Nice.
Yep. It's gotta represent.
Yeah. Damn, it's hella clean in here. Nice, man.
Thanks, man.
Dang.
Appreciate it.
All that CB7 love. Yeah. All right, so this guy took me on a little trailblazing run in the CB7, and man, I'm a believer now. I'm a straight. Look at this thing. Look at this thing, dude. This shit's sick.
Hey, don't point at my dent, bro.
No, but for real, dude, this thing is sick, man.
Yeah,
dude, it hugs the road. It feels like a tank too.
Yeah.
You can feel the weight.
Yeah.
But damn. Yeah, I'm a believer. All you CB7 people, I understand now. I understand the hype. This shit's sick. Now you guys can kind of see the inside. Got the picnic table doors. Damn. Loving it.
This guy's a believer.
I'm a believer now. I'm a believer.
Was that your first time being in a CB7?
Yeah. I mean, I've always seen them, and that's just about it. I mean, this guy's had about 400 cars, so now we're at this one. This one's probably going to be around for a good minute.
You can tell how I am with it, dude.
Yeah.
I've had so many Hondas, man, old and new, and after all my trials and tribulations, like, I ended up with this, man. This is the one, bro. If you like Hondas, then you want a car just like this.
Yeah.
This is the cars that made Honda a Honda.
Dang. I get it. Hella torque, too. No VTEC, hella torque. It's like that B18. It's why people are like, I like my LS, bro. It's got that power all the way out.
Yep, it's not gonna break your neck, but it's gonna keep pulling.
Yeah.
I mean, it might break your neck if it's rolling down a parking lot.
Yeah. That's the FG2. Hiding away. But damn, bro. Loving this.
Yeah. But those are 2 work days. Those are like two after work days on that.
That's sick.
One day just to clean it up really nice. One day to do a basic clean on this and clean all of this up. That's one day right there. And then the next day would be to refinish this and polish the chrome. That in itself is all in a day. But yeah, so I would say you'll probably get them back in like 2 weeks completely finished.
That's cool. I got plenty to do till then.
Cool.
Yeah, so these are the wheels.
I got 2 cars to detail this weekend,
Sick.
and then I'll be able to detail these throughout the week and probably, like I said, get them finished up for you next week.
Sick. But yeah, guys.
Really excited. I like these wheels, and now that I picked them up out of your trunk and I felt how light they are.
Yeah, when I had the tires on, I was like, these are heavy, but the wheels alone, I was like, wow, the weight was the fucking like
it's
tires,
cool, dude, because you sometimes you have companies that say racing or competition, in the name, and then you're like, what the fuck are these? Like those diamond racing wheels?
Yeah.
Like those things were heavy
diamond
as hell.
truck wheels, but yeah, dude.
I was expecting these to be a little bit more on the gimmicky side. No, people definitely raced in these.
We got the made in Japan's, guys. Some Enkis. I don't know if you guys know BBR competition. But, yeah. I've had these for a while. DJ's going to hook it up with getting them detailed and kind of restored while I'm working on the hatch. But, yeah.
Where did you get these?
A random dude on Craigslist. And to be honest with you, I did a lot of digging. And I think these are the same BBRs that are on the CRX on the cover of Honda Tuning. Yeah, because, yeah. Wow. So I randomly was like, I'm going to sell these. And I went to sell them, and this dude hit me up. And randomly he hit me up, he texted me, and he sent me the cover and his cover page, and he goes, hey dude, how long have you had these wheels? And I'm like, at the time I was like 5 years. And he goes, I think you bought my wheels, dude. I kind of want them back. And it was at that moment I fucked up, and I was like,
they're not for sale.
I'm sorry. I'm gonna be that guy right now. They're not for sale. And he goes, no, dude, I'm pretty sure they're my wheels, dude. Whoa. And he told me the specs. He told me the tires, and I'm like, I still have those Falcon Azina like 615Ks. Like, I still have the whole package, and I was just like, nope, sorry, dude, can't do it. I'm done. And these are like forever keepers now. So, but I'm pretty sure these are the same ones, because he was dead serious, and he's like, this is my car, dude, this is my cover. So,
dude, these are good candidates to get them rebarreled and get some wider versions of them.
Yeah,
like late game with
I
your
thought
EF.
about it. One of these is rebarreled. This guy, you can see the seam right here, but I don't know why. Yeah, I don't know why it got rebarreled, but he could have hit a pothole and then had to fix everything. But I had the guy put it on the see, none of them are here. But I thought maybe this bead was because that's where like the basket meets, but it's not. But when he pulled the tires off, I asked if he could spin them, and he's like, nope, they're all straight. If you felt the shake, it was probably these fucking 10-year-old tires. Yeah, boy.
Very cool. I'm excited.